Shakespeare uses the word list 3 different ways in the Taming of the Shrew.
He first uses it in Act 2, Scene 1, when Tranio tells Gremio, "Sir, list to me." The origin of the word as it's used here came from the old German word "lysenen," to listen. Tranio wants Gremio to hear what he has to say.
But in this scene, Shakespeare uses list in a different way. This sense also came from a Germanic word, Liste, which originally meant a border strip of land or clothing.
Later, it came to mean a strip of anything, particularly cloth or parchment. That's what Biondello means when he describes Petruchio's stockings as being gartered by a red and blue list. That means the stockings are being held up by a strip of colored cloth.
This particular meaning of list gave rise to our modern use of list. In addition to referring to a strip of parchment, list came to represent the items you wrote down on that strip of parchment, such as a list of names or a grocery list.
This modern meaning of list first appeared in print only 6 years after Taming of the Shrew, in Shakespeare's later play, Hamlet.
The third meaning of list, which also appears in this scene, came from another Germanic verb, lustian, which means to desire or to want something. This same German word is the origin of our word lust.
And that's how Gremio uses it here when he quotes Petruchio. "Now take them up," quoth he, "if any list." Petruchio is saying that anyone who wants to can pick up the priest and the Bible, both of which have fallen to the floor.